Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will perform experiment number 10 to display the working of voltage to frequency and frequency to voltage converters for electrical measurement systems using hardware. First of all, we will see what is voltage to frequency converter. A voltage to frequency converter is an oscillator having outputs as a square wave and whose frequency is linearly proportional to a control voltage. Means with the increase of the voltage, our frequency will also increase linearly. Now, what are frequency to voltage converters? Frequency to voltage or current converter is a device that generates an output voltage or current proportional to the frequency of a sinusoidal input signal. It has many applications in power control, communication systems, instrumentation and measurement systems, and many other systems. The objective of this lab is to sketch the output characteristics of voltage to frequency conversion system for electrical measurement systems using MCM7A operational amplifier module. And the second one is to sketch the output characteristic of frequency to voltage conversion system for electrical measurement systems using the MCM7A operational amplifier module. Let's have a look on the apparatus we will be using in this experiment. We will use a variable power supply, MCM7A operational amplifier module, and NI Elvis for the oscilloscope and digital measuring meter. Now we will have a look upon the experiment number 10. It has two parts: voltage to frequency conversion and frequency to voltage conversion. First of all, we will perform part A, that is voltage to frequency conversion. It will be performed on the MCM7A module. We have performed already experiment number 9 on this module, that is about voltage to current and current to voltage converters. This is a reference signal generator which creates a reference signal. This is our power supply. This is the reference signal generator. From which we take our reference signal, and this reference signal is supplied further to this circuit. You can see it has an IC, that is basically voltage control oscillator. Depending upon the input of this oscillator, we see the frequency at the output. Similarly, this is the integrated circuit for the frequency to voltage converter. Depending upon the variation of the oscillation, IC will produce voltage level at the output, and we can measure it via DMM. Let us start our experiment. At the input first circuit, we apply the 4-volt oscillator. Let us apply 4 volts at the input circuit. The oscillator IC will produce oscillations at the output, and we can observe this on the oscilloscope. First of all, let's have the settings of the oscilloscope, which are set on the 5 volts on the scale or volt per division. Let us connect our output meter. And power on our supply. After this, we will be able to see the frequency. You can see the square wave frequency generated, that is 4 kilohertz. It means we have applied 4 volts in the input and we got 4 kilohertz frequency at the output. You can see also V peak to peak, that is 11.5 volts. Now if we increase or decrease our voltage, the frequency will also change accordingly. We have increased our voltage or set it to the 2 or 3. We can decrease or increase from the variable power supply and we get the output accordingly. Now we will use the output of the previous circuit as the input of our second circuit, that is frequency to voltage converter, and we will obtain a voltage generated at the output. You can see 5.72 volts is generated across the output of the second circuit, that is, and if we increase the frequency or voltage, the voltage or frequency will increase accordingly. Now you can have a better idea about voltage and frequency converters. Frequency to voltage conversion has a linear relationship. You need to draw its graph on your manual and fill up the answers of the manual accordingly. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask in discussion session.